All right, well, this morning started off a little bit with just sitting around the office with Jace. He subscribed to a real estate trading program, so we've been watching the videos on that. It's a live one. It was actually pretty good. They kind of talking about how to become better agents, and also just general ideas. The ones I like the best are the ones talking about how to do video and just kind of video marketing. I think the biggest takeaway was one of the ladies talked about a bad done video is still better than the perfect undone video. So biggest thing is just getting out there, doing it, and trying to make something. So as I try to do with these YouTube videos. Well, next step is I'm going to grab some lunch here, grab some poke bowl, and then after that I got to go to the dentist and get these teeth cleaned. So we will go from there and see what else transpires. Hopefully maybe I'll have a little bit of time to run into a Goodwill too here in a little bit. Avocado, please.
It is extra cost.
I know. And then I want 2 salmon, 1 shrimp. The house sauce, yes, please. And then we'll do the orange. The orange, that thing, yeah. Yep. We'll do the edamame, the cucumber, the seaweed salad, and then I'll do crab salad, and I'll pay for an extra. So cucumber, seaweed salad, and then I'll do the crab salad, and I'll pay for an extra scoop of that. So 2 scoops. Yes, ma'am. And then we'll do the seaweed, that one. Yep. That looks yummy. All right, lunch was great. Now that's over. Now I'm at the dentist. Time to run in and get my teeth cleaned at their new location. Funny thing is, it's like a half a block away from apartment I used to rent 15 years ago. So it's kind of funny. In the chair, just got done doing x-rays, about to do my cleaning. But hey, it's what it is. Gotta keep the teeth good. All right, just got done at the dentist. Now I was on the way home, passing a Goodwill. Figured, why not run in? So let's see if I can find anything interesting. All right, well, I think we did okay. The Life board game is like, I paid $4.50 for it, and then I got 20% off, and it's $60 on eBay. Amazon has it locked, so probably can't sell it on Amazon, but on eBay it's a $60 game and it's brand new. So, and then I got the Magic cards. I'll probably just keep them. I'm not 100% sure how much the value there is. I think I paid $25 for them. There's quite a few. Probably could eBay them for at least what I paid, but I'm hoping there's a few rares and stuff in there. Plus, just for the gameplay, I might keep them, but we'll see. Avery, what snacks did we get for soccer?
We got lemonade, Twinkies, and gummies.
And then what else did we get?
We also got juice for the team.
Okay.
So yeah, we're gonna head to soccer.
All right, I'm here with Avery. We're on her way to her soccer game. Just running through Dutch Brothers. Give me a drink to have while I'm watching her play. And we already stopped and picked up. We're doing snacks today, so we stopped and picked up the snacks. Now and the drinks. Now we're just going through the Dutch Brothers and go from there.
And I have to take my earrings out, which will be tricky.
Oh, I think we can figure that one out. All right.
But it's tricky, Dad.
All right, we had a minute or two before we got to go over to the soccer field, so we're running through the car wash. So, because why not have a clean car for the soccer game? Job. Good, good, good. Go, 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 go. Come on.
Get the ball, get the ball, get the ball, get the ball. Yeah, nice try.
Good, Avery, go, go, go. 6th day. Good job, Avery.